Good morning, my dear students. Now, today's in this class, I'm going to discuss in Animate CC string document properties and changing the settings of already make properties. Now, setting document properties, each time when we will open the Animate software, the application opens a new file with the default setting for the movie properties. To set the frame rate, background color and ruler units, we use the following steps. Click on the file, new, the new document dialog box displayed, then select the action script 3.0 option in the type section. Define the stage dimension, ruler, units, background color and frame rate and click OK. Now these are the property settings. A document will open with the defined settings. After this, document will be in front of us, means the stage will be there. Now changing the setting of an already opened document. So what is this? We can also modify the setting of already opened document later on by selecting the modify document option. This is modify document option, and change the setting as per your need. To specify the stage size in pixels, select the pixels from the units drop down list, enter the value of width and height. To set the stage size according to the content on the stage, select the match content option next to the stage size section. This we have to follow. To set the background color of the stage, choose any color from the stage color swatch. Means I will show you, just there are many colors that we have to select. To change the frame rate, specify the speed at which an animation is to be played in the frame per second in the frame rate box. By default, frame rate is 24 fps. This you have to remember. This is the default frame rate, 24 fps. To save the content setting as default, click on the make default button. Now in this window you can see this is the document setting window, and first is pixels. You can see in this we have to select the window, and then after this is the by default setting 550 and 400 stage size it is, and I have already shown you pixels in ruler unit. Stage color also we can change. So here stage color is white by default, and the frame rate it is 24. So this we have to set, and this we can change also according to our use. After all these we have to press OK button. Now drawing an object and grouping outline with fill. When we make a drawing in Animate, it actually creates two objects, the fill and the outline. To manipulate object as single object, we need to group them. Means whatever we will draw, that is the outline, and whatever we will draw to fill, that is the different thing. Now I am showing you. Select the pencil tool and select brown as a stroke color. Means brown color is used to draw the object. So this we will use to draw the trunk of the tree. Now as it is shown here, I have drawn the trunk of the tree, and upside these are leaves of the trees. Choose the selection tool and move the pointer on the trunk. A curve is displayed below the arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the line by trunk to give a proper shape. Now you have to give the shape to that line. Now select the pencil tool and choose the smooth mode from the pencil mode option. Now select the green as a stroke color and draw the curve of the tree as shown, as top as shown. Means you have to draw the leaves. as it is already shown to you. Now this is the trunk, and upside these are the leaves. Now for grouping, select the green color as fill color and then select the paint bucket tool. Select green for tree top and brown for tree trunk. Select the selection tool, double click on the tree trunk and group them by pressing Ctrl G. Drag the tree top over the tree trunk. Now you have to color them both. Now select the complete tree by dragging the mouse around it. Choose the modify, then group option, or you can press Ctrl plus G also to group it. Now this is the figure that I am showing you. You have to drag this leaf or this trunks to join them. Now with the help of this window I am showing you. In this you can see this is the animate CC, and in this tree I have drawn it with the pencil only. So this is the first drawn figure. In this I will show you how you can fill the color swatches. Everything in this you can move, so I have fixed the color swatch right hand side. Now use your pencil with the color and draw the outline for this, and then take the pencil and move it around the boundary of the tree as I am showing you. And right hand side color swatches are there. You have to select the color according to your need from there. Now you can see upside for trees I have taken the fill color as green or dark green, and for downside I have considered brown. Now in this also you can take the shades. So again you will draw the line with pencil tool, and with this pencil tool you can draw the line outside to choose some more shades. So how will you choose the shade? Simply it is, you have to just give some light colors. So again take your pencil like this and draw, and then choose the color. You will choose the green color only, but it must be of different shades. Now you can see again I have selected this area. Now I am again using this pencil like this and choose the color. So you can see slightly light color I have selected for that. For tree also you have to draw the line to uh, just make them in a shade. Now you can see I have drawn this line in this, and then after you have to select the color. It may be brown or it may be light brown to give the shade to the trunk. Now I am showing you the way by which you can draw the tree with shade with very good design with the help of this animate CC. This is a very professional type of software to design the Cartoon Network's movies. Now do this process repeatedly again and again for giving it shades. Do it repeatedly as I am doing here. you have to design it again and again. I'm doing the same thing, I'm repeating the process again and again. You have to give design to this tree. So you can see here how simply and how easily I have designed this tree with the shades. I'm using the line, I'm repeating this again and again, the same thing, and I have given a very nice design to it. Like the same we will do it for the leaves. This is not taking that much time. This is very easy, and this software is very popular. This is very good software to draw this. Now again and again we will draw the line, and again we will select some light shades for this area. Now you can see again and again I am drawing the line, and I am choosing only the light shades for this tree. Now you can see the same thing we can do here also. In this also same thing, draw the line and choose different shades for different area. Now by this method you can see this how beautiful it is. Now by this method we will use the animate CC to draw anything. This is the only method by which we will draw anything in animate CC. Now you have seen how easy it is. We have simply selected the drawing, and we are repeating the lines again and again, and we are simply changing the shades for it, and now we got the tree like this. So now downside it is green grass. Now you can see how simply we have designed the tree. Now this was the complete class that I was showing you. Now you can see this. Now I hope you understand this class, students. Thank you for this.